August 15, 1969, a small farm in New York became the site of the most famous music festival ever held. It was billed as the Woodstock Music and Arts Festival, a weekend featuring some of the biggest names in rock. It became the highlight and most memorable part of the Summer of Love. No one predicted the crowds. Over 400,000 young people showed up to camp, dance, and party through the weekend. The rain started before the first song and didn't let up. No one seemed to mind. Although almost 500,000 people were soaking wet with inadequate facilities and insufficient food, the Woodstock Festival was a totally violence-free event. For an entire generation of young people, Woodstock was a symbol of hope and proof that peace was possible if only we would give it a chance.
Hey, welcome to our 60's Explosion night. Thank you. Explosion comes later. Remember this one? Now when you're feeling low and the fish won't bite, you need a little soul to set you right.
We wanted to put together like go back to our youth days. I called up a lot of old friends that used to play with us back in the 60s.
Everybody's wrong and there's nobody moving. So and you really stop moving.
Friends that hadn't played in a long time, and we talked about doing this. We actually did it at the Knickerbocker. Great results. We had a lot of fun. A lot of people enjoyed themselves, and we thought, well, we'll take it a step further. And but nobody wanted to rehearse. They just want to say, "Give me a song list, and I'll come down." Yeah, sure, I'll come down. So we had people come from all over that we used to play with and threw together a song list and didn't rehearse. But what fun. I've been trying to get to you for a long time. And there's always lots of laughs when the gang gets together. When we get the boys back from the 60s, wow, it almost seemed like a comedy show at times.
Come on, it's not appropriate just because I can't remember the like from 1972 to whenever I woke up. But hey,
We wrecked a lot of clothes though, didn't we?
My mom wouldn't let me be a hippie. I wanted to be one bad. I had to make my own beads.
When the truth is found to be lies, and all the joy within you die. Don't you want somebody to love? Don't you need somebody to love? Wouldn't you love somebody to love? You better find somebody to love.
And then we pulled George up by his pants and said, "Sing high notes, Frankie Valli."
Sherry, can't you come out tonight? Sherry, can't you come out tonight?
So I guess we are going to do this again.
You and me,